So since we're learning about our shapes, we're learning about, this is a big word, quadrilateral. And what's a quadrilateral? Does anybody know? It's a shape that has 4 sides and 4 angles. So it's like corners.
So it's basically like a rectangle.
Pretty much, yes. So there's different types. So first of all, there's the parallel. That's a tongue twister. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. And so with that one, they must have 2 pairs of parallel sides. Do you know what parallel means? Parallel means 2 lines that never touch each other. So it's like when you're driving on the road.
You're supposed to stay on the right side.
Yes, but the lines never touch, because if the lines touch on the road, it'd be confusing, and then the road would end. So they never touch. So with this one, you see how these lines here, they're never touching. And then the lines are going up and down, they are never touching.
That's like a crooked.
Yes, it's kind of tilted. It's like a windy rectangle. It's been blown. Now we have our rectangles, like you said, TJ, and that's where they have 2 pair of parallel sides, but then also too, they have 4 right angles. And what right angles are 90 degrees. So it's a perfect angle, kind of like this table here. You see how it's just perfectly straight. Degrees? Yeah, that's 90 degrees. Then we have a rhombus, and that's just the same thing, but all the sides are equal. And then inside of that is a square. And a square is everything. It has 2 pair of parallel sides, 4 right angles, and 4 equal sides. So let me ask you a question. How many sides does a quadrilateral have, brother? TJ?
4.
Perfect. And then also, it's kind of the same thing we just learned here, where a quadrilateral is any shape that has exactly how many sides? Good job. And then the parallelogram has the parallel sides. That's why it has parallel in it. Easy to remember.
And a trapezoid?
Yeah. Now a trapezoid's a new one.
It's like 3D.
Kind of 3D, but it only has 1 pair of parallel sides. And then the other angles can meet each other. So it kind of looks like maybe a triangle at the bottom that's been cut in half. Then we have the rhombus, and that's the parallelogram with 4 equal sides. So it's kind of like a diamond, like the traffic symbol we saw. And then again, and then all those other shapes that look kind of crazy looking, but if they have 4 sides, they're still a quadrilateral. Does everybody understand?
Yeah.
Do you understand, TJ? Okay, then we're going to play some fun games now.
Oh, with them.